Hey guys, so in this video, I'm going to be showing you how quick and easy it is to make chamomile infused oil. I'm going to go over some of the benefits of chamomile, and I'm also going to cover how to choose the right carrier oil for your needs. So your first step is to collect the flower or herb you'll be drying out. I purposely chose chamomile because of its calming properties. It is known to reduce anxiety and help stress. It can also significantly improve sleep quality. So I will be using a dehydrator for my flowers, but you can also just hang them upside down in a cool, dark place. I did test this out in my pantry and they turned out exactly the same as the ones in the dehydrator. When choosing a carrier oil, the best thing to do is to Google non-comedogenic oils. What this is a rating, a scale, how likely an oil is to clog your pores. So this is part of the reason I chose to use jojoba oil. It does not clog your pores compared to something like coconut oil, which does. So here you can see I have my dried flowers. I put them in a mason jar. I'm going to add about a cup of jojoba oil, and this will begin the infusion process. And now you will leave your oil in the sunlight for 3 to 4 weeks. There's also another method for this where you can infuse the oil on the stovetop. I have not tried that yet, but it's obviously the quicker method. All right, so it's officially been 3 to 4 weeks. You can tell my flowers have been soaking for a long time and all their beneficial properties are now in my oil. So I hope you learned something new with this video. I will be making homemade lotion bars with this oil in the future, so I hope to see you then.